New school, Big Daddy, grilled cheese. It's EasyAF.
This one's for my friend Chef Greenie. Get yourself a beautiful brioche or Pullman loaf and make sure you know who's boss. Get that new school cheese. Don't be shy on top of the bread. Sandwich it in between. Yes, we're using mayo because that's what Greenie says, and I agree because that's easy AF. And we're going to use some butter in the pan. This is the Big Daddy grilled cheese, but it's going in the oven first to make sure we got that serious melt on the interior. We're going to get it some browning with the butter in the pan. Oh, can you smell that? Can you smell that butter? Really crispy on the outside. This is what your Father's Day treat is going to be for anybody. And I like to cut mine in quarters. It reminds me of my childhood. It's hot. It's cheesy. It's new school. This is the best cheese around for grilled cheese for the Big Daddies. It's easy and delicious AF.
Oh, Greenie.